Hey guys, Noel Rendon here, and I just wanted to put out a quick video to kind of help you guys obtain your 1099 form from the email that we sent out. So you'll find the email wherever that is, and if you need help, you can just search Rendon Realty, and you should pop it. It should pop up. It may, if it's not in your inbox for whatever reason, check your junk folder. But again, there's the email. That's what it's going to look like. So once we enter this, you're going to get an email that says Rendon Realty has sent a 1099 with QuickBooks. You're going to click on view your 1099. You're going to come up to this screen and just hit continue. Now it's going to ask you to create an account. We're going to put a password in here. Okay. If for some reason you get this error message, that's because you already have a QuickBooks account. So you don't have to create a new account. You just can click on this blue sign in button here. And since I'm using Lewis's account for training purposes, but since he already has an account, then what I was doing before, as creating a new one, it recognized the email, so it pushed us out. So that's fine. So we're going to log in under his existing one right now. And after we logged in under his current QuickBooks account, we're going to get a code. This one's going to be emailed to him. And again, I'm using his account for training purposes. There's his verification code. Nope. I don't think I grabbed it. Okay. And there it is. Continue. So either you're going to create a new account, which is very simple at the beginning, or you're going to log in if you have already created a QuickBooks account. So now we're going to need the last four of his social security number. Okay, so simply put in the last four of your social. And there it is. You can download it, save it to your computer, or you can print it. I'm going to go ahead and download it for Lewis. Okay. If you ever needed to go back to it, you log into your QuickBooks account, which the email and password that you just created, and you click on Clients. You scroll down and you click on Rendon Realty, Tax Forms, View, and there it is again, your 1099. So that's how you get your 1099 form. If you have any questions, give me a call.